and welcome back to Coffee Infused Crypto. What an exciting beginning of the month here we have. But today, since it's the beginning of the month, we are not gonna go into chart analysis. As you can see, I am just having my chart here. I'm back testing a trading strategy for you guys. So if you're interested about that, people who want to learn more about trading or want me help them with some strategies, make sure to hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I post this video in the upcoming couple of days. But before I do that, I need to backtest it. I need to make sure that this has a higher probability of working than failing, and then I will be sharing this with you guys. But today, since it's the beginning of the day and since we beginning of the month, and since we agreed that we will be dollar cost averaging every first of every month. So we started on here on the 13th of last month, and we're gonna carry this forward every first of this month. So we will go to CoinMarketCap, which they rebranded, by the way, CoinMarketCrab. Hello, Crabman. They're jealous of you. So yeah, I'm gonna link the first video we did where we invested $1,000 into 4 different coins, and then you can catch up with that and proceed with us every month. But I want to stress out on 3 points before we carry forward. First of all, this is to help any person invest in the market without having to read charts, and the proper or the most safest way to do it. So rule number 1, you never invest in what you can't afford to lose. So investment money are always prone for loss, maybe, yeah, you know, so it's a risky environment, but it pays well to take some risk in life. So first of all, you only invest what you can afford to lose. Second of all, this is not gambling, so we need to make proper research. And by proper research, I mean study what you want to invest in, what projects are the best for you. So you need to do this little research and ask around at the beginning of your journey, and then you just apply the strategy you plot in the beginning. Third point is time in the market. So this is a long-term, okay, mid to long-term strategy. This is not a get rich quick, and you will not be a millionaire tomorrow, but you will be consistent in doing the same exact things that you do every beginning of a month or beginning of a week or beginning of 2 months. So you stick to the plan no matter what. This is the dollar cost averaging. By dollar cost averaging, we mean we deposit the same amount that we plan to at the beginning of the same interval of time that we plan to into the same assets that we have been determined to accumulate. So, and rule number 4 is diversification. That's why I say assets. So I want a multiple or a combination of assets. So crypto should be one in your portfolio, and that's the part we're discussing now. So let's say you had $10,000 to invest in. You might take 25% of that and put it in crypto, and another 25 in maybe metals and gold, another 25 in stocks and bonds. So it's up to you. My job here and my role here is to emphasize on the crypto section. So as much as we diversify in the general portfolio, we need to diversify in the crypto portfolio. So 100% of your money should be split into 3, 4, and 5 or 6. So it depends on how do you want to split, and there's different strategies we can always discuss in particular. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be more than happy to help. But as a general rule of thumb, always remember that we have network coins, we have DeFi coins or tokens, And we have gaming coins or tokens. We have the NFT section or sector. We have so DeFi as in decentralized finance. We have smaller project coins or tokens. So there's a lot of diversity in the space. So you split that amount, which we agreed on. It's gonna be $1,000 every beginning of the month. So we're gonna just add up the next 1,000 now. And fifth and last, nothing I say is a financial advice. Everything I say is my own opinion and how I look at things. So get inspired from what I say to do your own research and to push or carry forward your own strategy that you are comfortable with. So what we're doing today is going back to CoinMarketCap. Okay, we discussed that we needed to create a user and then go to portfolio and check how did our $1,000 from last month do so far. So as you can see, our chart, and we decided to go into 25% into Bitcoin, 25 Cardano, 25 Ethereum, and 25% Polygon. So that's the last 24 hours, and that's the past 30 days. So our portfolio has done, 24% ever since we started in growth and in profit. We chose 4 network coins. And Bitcoin should always be considered. Okay, so many people tend to go away from Bitcoin because it's too big. I want to be a millionaire tomorrow. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. Our best performer since last month is Bitcoin with a 38.83%, which performed better than all the other. And the worst was Polygon, even if it was at profit, but still was the worst performer. Why? Because as we always discuss and analyze in our TAs, now it's Bitcoin dominance season. So it's Bitcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is high. So technically Bitcoin outperforms other coins. Okay, so keep that in mind, and this is in numbers. You can see it. Ever since we started, Bitcoin is best performer so far. And Bitcoin, what was 25, 25, 25 equally, Bitcoin took some in position in our portfolio from Polygon, and now is at 27% of our position. So if we scroll a little bit down and we see that, Bitcoin did $250 in Bitcoin. So that's what we did. Distribute the 1,000 over 4 different assets, and we're gonna allocate the same to 250 to each coin for a year. So that's gonna go on in 12 deposits or payments. So you stick around. If we see the market kind of moves, we shift from moves in either ways, but if it's kind of was attractive at some point, and I will tell you when and how to think about it, we shift from the dollar cost averaging into the dynamic dollar cost averaging, and we leave that till then. So make sure to keep up with this series. So I'm gonna allocate a new playlist with the dollar cost averaging, and you'll find the videos below each other easily in one playlist. So Bitcoin did 38%, $97 profit on the 250. Cardano did $68 profit on the 250. Ethereum did that's $61 profit, and Polygon did $17 profit. So the month was in profit. On average, it was like 23% for Bitcoin in a pump. So Bitcoin did the best performing, did the best performance this month. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna dive in our Bitcoin position and add, last time we bought the 0.01225 BTC for $250, and now we will just add a transaction, April 1st. A quantity would be around, we're trying to guess this, 0.088. All right, okay, that's good. 881, there you go, 882. So that's 250. purchased at this price, so you don't need to think with this strategy about when to buy or or at what price. You don't care about what price. We're distributing our money equally, and we're buying at whatever price it is at the beginning of the month. So we're adding transaction now. We just added a fresh $250 in Bitcoin. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to Cardano. Last time we purchased 815 ADA for $250. We're gonna add a transaction. I think it's around 650. All right, 645. All right, 40 maybe. Yeah. So 640 at current price. So now we're buying less for the same price because definitely ADA pushed. Add transaction. Another 250 added back. So we purchased ADA. Now we go to ETH. And last time we purchased 0.17 ETH. We're going to add a transaction. 0.16. No, 15. No, 1413. Let's say 135. 138. That would be it. 250 spent on Ether. And let's go back and add our last 250 on Polygon Matic. Last time we purchased 242 Matics. Today we're gonna, I think it's, let's try 230. Okay, 225, 229, no, 227 Matics for $250, adding transaction. And now our portfolio is, we have invested in $2,000 based on 1,000 each month, and we are in profit 246 from last month. We're gonna see how this works for us. So remember guys, in this strategy we don't think about price action, we don't think about charts, we don't think about staring at the price movement and doing the trend lines and buying and selling. This is a strategy where we put a time stamp of like, I want to invest for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, and I want to DCA in for 1 month up to 1 year. So I want to spread maybe my payments based on weekly basis, based on monthly basis, and I want to diversify into different coins. Okay, so this would be the safest, the simplest, and the easiest way to do things. Of course, you strategize first, you ask me, you ask anyone, you do your research, you take opinions of people, and you stick to your plan. So we're gonna keep up with this strategy the beginning of each month. If you have any questions on particular strategies, please do reach out in the comment section. That helps the algorithm of YouTube as well, spreading those videos and pushing them viral. So that's everything for today. Keep an eye for the next like a couple of days until I 100% back test this that I'm looking at, and will bring in the results for you guys. So stay safe, stay crypto, of course, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.